Alright, what's up YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. My name is Hassan. We are live. What's going on, y'all? Man, I said I wasn't even going to trade pre-market today. And it's just like, bro, as soon as I like pulled up the first thing, that's the problem. I really want to get back in this. It's just like, this is just like price action trading though, like I'm not. And on the bottom side of 250 as well. And just about at the open. Hmm. Hey, what's up, Kistner? Oh, gee. Not yet. This is still in the demo. Why pre-market? I know, bro. Dang, bro. I was so close to getting an MNDR at 247 right here. I know. Damn. What you got up, Trey?
METC, CIFR,
NXXT.
Man, I was listening to some, I listened to that tape reading video you sent me. And then I started just listening to a couple, like they just started playing. And, 655.77. Pick that up.
NXXT.
I was honestly disappointed. I didn't even see SGBX until like 5 minutes ago, man. I was like,
CIFR.
Man. And I remember yesterday thinking I want to watch this tomorrow. Just totally forgot.
SOFX, RCAT, PGY.
Okay, yeah, I'm gonna check it out, man. It was cool when I was listening because I wasn't watching it. I was listening while I was working, but I knew everything. I knew exactly what he was talking about. Like, could recognize what he was saying.
CIFR.
Yup, I do be seeing that. Alright. Man, I really want to take, but I'm gonna just wait. We'll just wait.
CRNC.
This was the op, right?
CRNC.
So now we gotta see what the next one is, which I was thinking 250.
BLSH.
Just manage this and then see what happens after the open.
IONZ. AGIO. WULF. SOXL.
Yeah, at the very least.
SGML.
Where's my stop at?
CRNC. RZLV. NVD. ANNX. NNOATGL halted. FOSMX halted down. IFED halted.
I like how it's holding up. Oh, it's a bad sell.
IREN. SGML. NVD.
FWRD. MAGN. FOSL.
FOSL. ZIM. RKT.
BEX. JACK. PACS.
RZLV. LAES.
Order
IONQ.
filled.
FWRD. HOOZ. FOSL. MAGN.
NNOX.
NNOX.
PACS.
ANNX. SGML.
Order filled.
Gotta get something right there. Gotta get something right there. On the GP. Oh, SGBX is going crazy. Stop in at lower day.
Order filled.
Yeah, that was ridiculous. 220 resistance. Yeah. We'll talk about that other trade later. Here we go. Man, I want to jump in SGBX right now, bro. This wick is crazy, though. Don't look. You got 246 on MNDR. I just got SGBX, MNDR, and AUID up. Looking pretty good over here on AUID. Can we get it back up to 250? I think we can. Messing with some auras right now. What's this high? Let's be responsible. This high is 235. Yeah, 235 is a nice extension from here. Yeah, that's a reasonable level. We'll go like 233. It's the candle right here. You can do it. Come on, one more. One more.
Order filled.
Taking it. Hold on 1 second. All right, my bad, y'all. Let's take that phone call. I'm a working man. Dang, bro. Look at SGBX. I'm jelly. I'm jelly. Or dead. Yeah, I know. I don't want to. I'm kind of want to take it right there, man.
Order filled.
AUID look like it want to do something too. Making new highs over here. It's getting choppy, man. It's choppy. I'm glad I sold some up there, bro. I'd be salty right now. uh, I'd be mad. So where's my stop at, bro? What's happening? Definitely cool with break even on that one. I'm okay below a day. We took a little bit of profit off of that. I should have sold way more up there, actually. Let's go. Let's go. What we got here? 250s. I wish I could have been a little tighter on the risk. I hope we don't bump too hard at high of day over here. What's that? 258, basically. We.
Order filled.
Oh, we'll take some of that. We'll take some of that. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I should have waited to the open trade. Wildin'. Look at it go. What do you think? Is it done? TIXC? Hold on, man. I'm in the thick of it right now. MNDR. Oh, my beer. $278. Dang, bro. AUID came all the way back in. New low a day or nah? Let me give it one more penny. Just because I know it like to break. 275. Yeah, I'm trying to get a sell off 275 on oh snap.
Order filled.
On MNDR. I was eyeballing this high right here for sure. And yeah, I think we might as well hold for 320s. Yeah, I mean. Yeah, I mean. It sucks because like all I did was just dig out of the hole I made in pre-market. You fool.
Order filled.
These squirrels are going ham on my roof right now, bro. I don't like it. Man, I was just trading out in the middle of nowhere on MNDR. I did catch a nice one finally, but like I didn't even have anything drawn, man. This was literally I just pulled it up and was like, order filled. Like, yeah, I gotta that's kind of the Yeah, I think I like waiting to the open. But it's just hard not to participate. Old habits, basically. Old habits dying hard. I should put a limit order out up there. And then this entry, I was feeling FOMO for not taking this entry and missing this little pop. And so I was like, all right, here's my shot over that same level, 250-ish. And then when do I ever take this trade? Never. Like, that's stupid. But this was nice. Very nice. What we doing over here, bro? Round 2 or nah? Round 2 for the Green Day. Back up to 230s. Shoot, man, I'm on 250 though, to be honest. But I gotta sell through this high on GP. Good old general principle. It's a nice little hold area right here. This would have been the area to be patient for, not this one. But I'm starting to feel more comfortable around the levels, I guess. But that doesn't mean I shouldn't wait for confirmation and stuff. All right, probably next target around $3 on GP. Wow. It's funny. It like looks kind of clean on the 5 and the 15. It's garbage. Garbage. All right, here we go. Hot level 315. Can you dig it? Higher day 275. There's 276. Come on, man. Look at the Come on. It's going down. I don't know. It might need a little pullback first. A little red candle or something. Probably be for the best. AUID shaping up pretty nicely over here. Appreciate it, Stanford. Where's my stop at? Definitely put that right there. What's going on here? There we go. Come on, man. Come on. Yep. Yup. You can do it. We needed that red candle. AUD on the struggle bus. Boy. Look at the 15, bro. We in the first 15-minute candle after the hammer time. This could be glorious. Need more shares. Ooh. There it is, Stanford. Ooh. Second, y'all.
Order filled.
Aw. Wah, wah. Dang. I should have left my stop where it was. Nah, that's the right thing to do. Okay. Hey, good morning, Robert. Ooh. Ooh.
Order filled.
Well. Almost want to take MMDR right back right here. Guess it's too late now. I'll wait for a higher low. Kind of got that already with this candle for real. Man, appreciate you stopping by. Knives, what's going on, bro? BFR on MNDR. BFR. What's that, bro? Dang. You gonna wake me out like that? Ah, oh, ain't no way. Ain't no way.
Order filled.
I shouldn't have done that. Bear flag reversal. You trade, Robert? Man, SGBX is like just wonderfully strong. I can't believe I bought the dang new high after the new low. Okay, at least wait for another higher low. Looks pretty exciting though, doesn't it? I saw a YouTube video this morning. The thumbnail said, "Your stop loss equals my entry." All right. Oh, appreciate it. Yeah, this is definitely my favorite place to trade, the DOS platform. Man, MNDR is very enticing. It's a trip how much I want to buy red now, Trey. Like, I want to buy that right now so bad. And like, why not? That's where I'm at right now. Like, why not? Why didn't I just buy that right there? But let's wait for the higher low. It feels less random. Welcome to the cult. Yeah. Let's see what these next couple candles look like. Your V. Wow. Where'd you get in at, bro? Dirty rat. All right, just pull back before you squeeze. That's all I'm asking. Just a couple candles. I should have bought it, bro. That's all right. Just don't let me miss the pullback.
Order filled.
Ooh, that was high. Come on, man. I can feel it in the air. Ooh, we got some shares. It's kind of scary. I got some shares now. I like what I see though. I like the volume. I like just don't like this wick, but that I top ticked. That ain't no fun. That one's gonna hurt if I lose that one. What's that low? 209. at 207 by where I needed to be. All right, I guess that's the pullback, yo.
Order filled.
Bro, I gotta just like start. I'm starting to feel it, bro. I gotta trust that buy and just like hit it right there. Just bow, bow, bow. Come on with it. Come on with it. I bet it does. Being in front of it sucks. On the front side, climbing over the top, falling down all the time. Ooh, ew, that's nasty. $207. About to get slapped. Ooh, yeah, I'm way too heavy on this trade. That's how it happens. Yeah, I added.
Order filled.
Good Lord. This thing's been nasty and choppy the whole day, honestly. I'm done with it. I'm taking it off my charts. Unfortunately, revenge will not be had on AUID today. Yeah. Hmm. Yeah, that was stupid though, because this just made a lower low right here. So to get in after that, like, you're doing too much. That's why I didn't get in over here though. But this is just way cleaner, man. Way cleaner, bro. Mm-mm-mm. Mm. Man, I turned this winner into a terrible loser. Yeah. That thing's been trash all morning. It was obvious. MNDR looks pretty good though. I think we got at least 3 in us. Man, I am, man. What up, Sal? Yeah, I got it over here. Man, I could have at least been here for this. What this right here, bro? Yeah, totally missed out on that one. I was sure I would have been trading that instead of AUID. 5 minute looking pretty solid. Yeah, it's way at the top now, bro. Well, I don't know. You a breakout trader, Sal? Man, 750 to 795 is nice though, Sal. Yeah, that's what's up, man. That's how you do that there. All right. Stock is haunting me.
Order filled.
Dang, man, this thing got slizzapped. Hmm. Yeah, for a second. Look like we coming to check out your other level trade. Uh, my joint freeze, bruh. Come on, man. Hmm. Somebody give me an update, bro. What's happening? Uh, there we go. Okay. Still in there, huh?
Order filled.
See a point in risking below this level at this time.
Order filled.
Yeah, that was a good stop. Man, 210 is heavy. After the morning trades. Time is it? 9:21. After the pre-market trades. I actually came in today intending to not trade pre-market. Oh yeah. Oh, did it? I actually intended to have a spy over here. Wow. Wow. That was a hell of a wick right there, boy. Average is 208. No way in hell I'm leaving if I'm red. It's definitely tough to do. That would have been the ad right there. I did up there. Yeah, it definitely is. Yeah, I mean, I need that though. Hmm. That's when I'm planning to go back to real money, live trading, live funds, live account. Hmm. Oh yeah, that's what's up, OG. Yeah, I hope so too. It would definitely help. Yeah, got came here and got slapped up today. Played myself. This was just really hard to read. It was just super choppy, man. I wish I could have recognized that and just stayed away from it. Um, I needed that sell up here for sure. That's funny, Stanford. Like I don't want to trade it at all. But it takes 3 to 4 losses to be like, man, what's going on? And then I just zoom out and like, dang, this thing is choppy as heck.
Order filled. Every day. Nah, that was just revenge at that point, Knives. That was I needed it back in blood. Oh, you talking about just now? Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, I guess I am still trading. Help. Man, I've been around since 2020. Yeah. I mean, I feel like I'm trading around levels. Didn't we say 204 was a level? That's kind of what I'm kind of playing off these wicks right here. Yeah. Actually, yeah, put this guy like up here. That, see, that's a lot more clear. Yeah, this thing's, bruh. Low VWAP on the 15. I forgot I really didn't want to do that.
Yeah, no doubt. Yeah, there's just really no buyers here. I keep well, it's not for the hell of it. Like I'm getting things even from these bad trades. It's it's reinforcing things, but like to leave that max loss while I'm paper trading when I could have the opportunity to keep getting more reps is just like I want to keep getting the reps. I want to okay, all right, I see where I messed up there. Let's next trade, you know. Cuz like I'm in the lab right now. But that's why when I get go to the real money, you know, I'm going to start very small with the risk and yeah, that's true. No one else in any lottos. Yeah, man. I feel it, OG. Said stop adding. Oh yeah, it's cooked now. It's up now. It's up. No, yeah, for sure. For sure. But I think a lot of the work is gonna have to be live because the work is psychological and bro, it sounds like there's a squirrel on my roof with a hammer, like building something. Like what the heck? They're gonna bird, man. Sitting right on the side of my Eve. Yeah. I do plan to I gotta fix that before December. I can definitely fix that. Um oh. Wow. Damn, I'm mad I missed that. Come on, man. It's so ready to go on all the time frames, bro, that I'm just like, but it could still, it's a dang on $2 penny stock. It could still just fall straight through the floor. It's straight through the floor, bro. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. Good Lord, bro. We was up 2R up there. Daggone penny stock, bro. ah, we was almost there though, Knives. I should have been more vigilant and got a sell off up there at 218 ish. That was my bad. I was lacking. Yeah, like this buy would have looked better right here. With the stop under there, but this was, if I missed that, then I could have waited for that. That would have been pristine. And yeah, this was this ad I'm cool with. This one's not good at all. Yeah, this one's super FOMO. Dang, bro. This still just looks so ready to cook, man. But that 5-minute wick is nasty. It went like 4 pennies. That's hilarious. Both too high compared to risk, yeah. I'm such a nah. I appreciate it, Knives. Went like 4 pennies. That's hilarious, though. Damn, that's wide as heck on 1 minute. Closed red. Double bottom. It's not a bad spot. Man, that's crazy, bro. It's like not trading. Trading vacation. Yeah, it's crazy for me. No trades this week for you? Wow. I know I be doing the most. I need a no trade day. Oh, yeah.
Order filled. Good job, OG. Setting a good example, man. You too, Stanford. Uncle Knives. SGBX has entered the chat. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Mm-hmm. I seen it. I seen it. This is all I needed to see today is SGBX. The fact that I didn't even watch it at the open as my number one stock was ridiculous. Because if I was gonna take some like wild trades, like this is the type of stock to take some wild trades on. Even though it is kind of choppy on the way up, but bruh, this looks so easy to read. But I guess hindsight.
Order filled.
All right. Well, there goes AUID. Very nice there. Deciding to trade that back again. Man. Got caught up trading hot garbage. Look at this gap. All into all kind of resistance too. This chart was trash. I'm mad disappointed. I'm mad disappointed in that. Even this stock, it's a nice gap, I guess, over here, over quite a few highs. But still no real levels to play off of. That was like the first thing I noticed was like there's not even any real level to play. That's cool. That's what we need, man. Oh yeah, the buyers been pulled up. Where'd you find it, Trey? Oh, never mind. My brain has definitely changed though. Like I would never be buying down here before because I want to see the higher high above VWAP and all of that. I mean, and so my buys are better, but they're still not only in retrospect. Yeah, because it wasn't clear, which means it shouldn't have been traded. So simple, bro. All right, bro. What's the deal? That's a big green spike right there. I might put you on watch for the higher low. It's a low. No, it's not good. I think we should just leave that alone, bro. This is last trade right here, man. Under pre-market low. Now we see if it's real or not. It looks pretty good. But this could just be a lower high on the 5 and just continue down to one of these other levels, back down to 7 or something. But I'm hoping pre-market high is strong. That's the pink line. We fishing or hunting. You know I stay hunting. That's why we losing.
Order filled.
Yep. Over the last high through 8. Just the beginning of the uptrend. Like, that's the confirmation. That's the pattern I would normally wait for to enter off of. But the 5 is kind of scary. Although tightening up my stop does make it a lot more risky, but and that follow-up candle is not what I wanted to see either. There goes MNDR, man. It's just so beat up. Mess with it. That looks pretty good. Can we get some more buyers? Red on the time to sales, yo. That's nice. Show ain't holding 8 at all. Like, it just 8 is holding as resistance right now. Yeah. I think in hindsight, I would rather wait for, at least on the ad, it would have been better to wait for a 5-minute pullback to add on. Because until then, you don't really know what kind of bounce this is going to be. But greater the risk, greater the reward. Yeah, it's definitely a risky trade. The ad made it super risky to me. Yeah. I let pre-market high really talk me into this trade. Like, hard. Yeah. But like, the idea behind my ad is I want to be able to raise my stop too. So it's kind of like based on structure. Now here's the ad right there. This pop here. No ads, just subtract. Yeah. I definitely would be a lot more comfortable with my original average line down here at 772 or 4 or whatever. Yeah, we about to get slapped. Dang. Slap up. What we at? Oh, this is way too tight on my risk anyway. What we at? 42 shares. What's 1R? 23 cents. 85. Okay, so I can risk down to like 60. Whoa.
Order filled.
Okay. Dang, man, I feel like I didn't do anything good today. I couldn't have told 647. Yeah. Let me delete those real quick. All right, so I come in here, look at the daily. There's basically no high volume days to draw anything on for real. If we go to the hourly, like none of this is significant. 83,000 shares. I mean, I guess you could say 209 off of that wick. 98,000 shares. Damn, that's savage, bro. Oops. I hate it when I do that. Dang, what was I doing? Okay. Yeah, I don't know, man. What you got on levels for AUID trade? Did you have some levels? Like, to me, there's nothing, bro. Yeah, I feel like this one was just straight trash. Now this is interesting. Dirk entry off the close of the 5. IFS or LFS? What does that mean? What's up, Joe?
Order filled.
Oh, yeah. We need them all caps for the tickers. Por favor. LFS. Dang, bro, this is pretty nice. Got some obvious levels to draw on the daily here. Just about at resistance there. What's the hourly talking about? Like 650 is another one. Yeah, that thing gone. Man, you said something earlier too, Joe, didn't you? Yeah, I was doing a lot, man. This is definitely a obvious paper trade for me. AUD 183. It's just weak sauce though, bro. Like, I'd rather lose my money on SGBX than lose it on AUD some more. And I wish I stood on that when I said it before I took my last trade on it. Be that as it may. That's what I'm trying to say, LG. It's garbage. Hey, y'all see ANVS today? Oh, I don't know why that looks good on my chart. Oh, that's the 5 minute. 5 minute look pretty solid. Yeah. I don't think I want to trade pre-market anymore though, Focus. Oh, snap. Hold up. Hold up. This could take a long time. I feel like it could take a long time. Had some buyers come in on MNDR. Bro, I know, bro. Right off that level, bro. I took it off confidence of that of Trey's level. I mean, I had it written up there from yesterday, but I'm telling you, bro, that's really the whole game, man. The whole game. Bro, I was worried about you, Focus, but I mean, you know, you got the knees. I had to get the BB gun, man. I had to get the BB gun. It's crazy out here. All right, realistically, pre-market high is like my minimum aggressive target. I think that's legitimate. Just under 750. That sound kind of soft, Trey. We are down 7R. 7.7. Nah, that's not a reason to not trade properly. All right. Mm-hmm. We didn't already trade through that level so many times, though. Level's not optimism. Well, I'm talking about pre-market high. I'm probably gonna walk in the door doing $2. I don't know, maybe not that low. That's kind of insignificant. Maybe $5 a trade first day. It really doesn't cost a lot of money to figure out you ain't got it yet, you know? So, but it's like I want to find the balance to where you have enough risk to feel the significance of your decisions. Like right now, it's kind of hard because it's, paper trading. You just like, I do like the fearlessness of it, and I want to bring some of that with me. But there's still just like a tad of nonchalantness. I actually am pretty good at taking sim trading semi seriously. Like I'm not just like la 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 la, you know what I mean? But it's just different. It's different. Everybody knows it's different. 2K shares. Man, that's cool. You out of there then, huh? Ah, he said peace. That's what's up. Yeah. Hoping we just getting started. I don't know. The buyers didn't really get as aggressive as I was kind of wanting them to. Right there. These sellers, of course, are pretty aggressive. 5% locked in. You make it sound so simple, Focus. I got in at 668. Boy. Yep. I put my stop at 648. I told you I was going to do the Dirk entry on. This is the Dirk entry off the 5-minute close. Oh, I see it. Oh, no, that's 709 looking kind of wild. Who would have thought? It didn't even get there. It got to 712. So now it's time to add, is what you're saying, Trey? It is actually. no second guessing. 5 cut off strong level. Where'd you decide to put your stop? You got in which you talking about focus. Getting in at 675. Yeah, he definitely held through the dip. The dippity dip. Right, see if we hold this low or not. Mm-hmm. That's funny. Bah humbug.
Order filled.
Dang, bruh. We was up too. Yeah, we was up. That was a smooth entry. Should have got out with focus. All right, so what did we get from today? Gotta respect the levels. That's always clear. That's easy peasy. I wish I would have done better on this, bro. See, it was just that was the greed. That was greed on this one. Pure greed. You're not gonna sell through the $7 whole level. You had a pretty nice trade there, buddy. Yeah, that was pure greed. Yeah, I could chill on the adding. I could chill on the adding. The better my entries get, the less necessary it is. It just adds unnecessary risk to the trade. Yeah, dang, that's crazy, bro. That's straight crazy. Yeah. Subtract only. I can dig it. If I can't find any levels that I like on something, I think I'm just gonna not trade it. Cause that's literally what I felt when I pulled up AUID and MNDR, honestly. And that's why, yeah, although I did catch a couple nice trades, but I just did too much, man. Buying in the range here. Like if I bought down here and sold up here, like I should at least just be like, okay, this is, this is my where did I buy? I bought based off these wicks right here, and then I sold into this level. So there should be no like. I guess it just these feel like I'm buying off of this level. That's the problem right there. But well, I think the main problem is the charge is trash. Yeah. Bad form. Yeah, I caught two nice ones on this, but still down 0.7 arm. It's got pretty much backsided on this one, bro. I'm like, oh, I missed it. It's gonna bounce. But still reasonable places to buy. And both of these trades went into the money, but I added a right here. Right? This would have been cool. Like, of course, like sell some through 8, bro. If you got in at 770 something, you gotta sell some through 8. Through the whole dollar. But I bought. And then then down here, I got a nice bounce. Gotta sell something through 7, bro. I was so red though. I'm like, I'm trying to get all the way back up to the highs so I can have a green day. Do all my entries give me 5%? I don't have the little 5% thingy, and I really don't understand it in my mind what we're actually talking about when we're saying 5%. We're saying like if the position costs $2,000 to buy the position and I make 5% of that $2,000, then I'm selling, or a 5% increase from the price. No, that doesn't make sense. Like if I bought it at $6 and it goes up to from the price. Don't matter what your cost is, just sell every 5% increase. But how do I control my so then I would be risking 2% on every trade? Is that what we're saying? Because to me in my head, I'm risking $1 amount. So to try to not. You don't care about my risk. Well, the way today looks is, I think that's both of us. Risk 10% from the price I enter to collect 5. I know, bro. I just didn't capitalize, man. Just didn't capitalize. I was too. I at least wanted to get up to here. Trey tried to tell me 717, which I still would have been short. But focus was spot on with 711. 711. Not my losing. That's hilarious, focus. That's hilarious. Damn, these entries was fire, bro. All right, if I could take adding off, I got to take adding off. There's no reason to add. There's no reason to add because there's really no reason to sit through major pullbacks. And the only reason to add would be after a major pullback back to my opening price. I mean, my entry price, where it's like, okay. But then I don't want to add there because I don't have a place to move my stop up, and I'm basically just doubling down. I don't want to double down. So yeah, I think, yeah, okay, we can take out the ads. Let's take out the ads. Just stop adding. And just sell it. Let's just sell it. I think I'm gonna go back to hiding my P&L too. I remember feeling very good like when I first went. I need to see something though. Maybe I'll just show the R. Adding has never worked for me long term. Nothing has worked for me long term at this point. Yeah, my brain can't wrap around. What makes most sense to me is levels and risking the low that the price made the last time it came into that level. So if I'm considering this the bottom and this is the level and this is the reversal, then my stop goes under there. And ideally, I want to make it to the next level up of resistance. But that doesn't mean I want to wait to get there to sell either. Like I want to be selling pieces on the way up.
So if I take out the ads and then I don't trade stocks without clear levels that I see as, you know, because the levels are what provide the opportunity. Like if that's what I'm trading, if I'm trading levels, if I'm buying at support, and I see like you pull up a chart and you see some major support levels, like SGBX actually looks pretty fire. Like just on the daily chart. Like it's levels here to play with, you know. Some high volume levels. You got this nice day right here to play with. And then on this day, you had these two highs to play with. You got some highs over here. Not really any volume, though. It's actually pretty clean now. That's why I went crazy. Look at that. Beautiful. All right. Where my little notepad at? All right. See, look, we can take this whole thing out. Adding blah, blah, blah. Just buy support. Just buy support. Stocks in play. I think what's important to me is a gap over recent highs. Like high vol. Clear levels. That's my stock in play. I don't really care how much it costs. I don't think I care about the float either. We haven't been talking about float at all, you guys. Trey, I don't can remember last time you mentioned the float. I have pretty much been picking out of the low float box on the Zendu scanner though, so maybe I've just been consistently picking low float stocks, so there's no need to mention it. Focus on proper trading. Let's not some 100K in 6 months. I'm with that though, man. Like, all right, gap over recent highs. Relative volume, clear. Buy support. So another decision I kind of have to make is am I waiting for the higher low? Like can I just buy the level? I feel like most of the time you get an entry if you wait. Like almost all the time I'm FOMOing in and I'm scared it's about to squeeze without me. I have to wait for the pullback and then get to see my proper entry and be in the red during that whole time, and then it goes. Yeah, that's true too. Price under 15. Haven't really seen too many things that high, but once the price gets over 15, man, the spreads get so ridiculous, bro. Like I definitely don't want to be trading any whippy spread stuff. Yeah, I think I'm gonna say I want to wait for the confirmation after the level. Um, hmm. Yeah, 10 is ridiculous. Um, entry patterns, higher low, double bottom. I feel like I'll take a hammer time if it's a double bottom. Like I can, I don't know, man. It's hard to say. Another criteria before entering if it's a reversal or just a pull in. Honestly, I think the easiest way for me to tell that is by looking at the other time frames too. Cause like when I was tripping, where was that? I just got stopped out. Was that SGBX? It was something I was looking at that I was like, yeah, this looks like it could just be a retracement in the middle of the this right here on SGBX. I'll put it up on this one. This, yeah, because this is the backside. Like the uptrend is clearly over at this point, and this is like this very much looks like the first leg of a downtrend. So if I'm gonna try to take this bounce, I gotta think this is gonna be a very light bounce if I want to take this trade. Like not only that, I need to get in way lower, but um I was looking at this like, man, and to add right there is like, okay, if this would have to like really extend up right here, and then you would expect a more narrow pullback, and this volume didn't happen like that at all, clearly. Um, so yeah, when I see this is telling me this is a downtrend right now, so this is not shouldn't be actionable. Like what I should want to see is to see a pullback on the 5, make a higher low, or maybe a double bottom, and then try to take a move back up from there. So yeah, this is from the higher time frames. This was pretty poor, but from a lower time frame, if you have the right expectations, then this you can make this trade a cool trade. You just got to be willing to hop right back out. Like not be shooting for the moon like I was. So, like, there's some 1-to-1s in here for sure. But yeah, no, I'm definitely done adding. Yeah, for sure. Yeah. So, um beware of buying resistance. Entry pattern is higher, low, double bottom. Sell, sell, sell. No adding. Okay. Anything else? Mm,
Predetermine your risk based off your account. Oh yeah, for sure. Oh, you talking about these down here? You talking about this? Yeah, that was sweet. Trash. SGBX. That's kind of nice on the 5. Oh, that's the one. Oh, wait, I'm not zoomed in. Yeah, I'm too used to depending on my stop loss, bro, to trade pre-market. I actually need to fix my hotkey because it hasn't been putting it in on automatically, and that's a problem. I used to have a stop loss order at the back of my hotkeys so that once the order filled, it would put a stop at break even. I think that would be good to put back in as well. I definitely don't want to sit through any 5-minute pullbacks. I think I got to start stopping out. First candle to make a 5-minute low. Because if the 5 minutes start pulling back, then it should create another entry on the 1. I guess it won't be at support though. So I get wanting to stay in the trade. So you don't worry about stops. Yeah, well. I'm still on level 1 focus, so I need my stop very much. Even with my stop, I still got obliterated. So to not have it would be wild. I'm so mad about AUD. AUID. To lose 6R on trash. Nah, yeah, I'm super confident about that, about getting there. I think the most important thing now is to just build a process of a really solid system. I think emotionally I'm ready to follow it. I think right now I just don't really have anything and I'm kind of free balling. But the free balling is for a purpose, so I can, now I can see, what clearly what's working and what's not working. Like today, finally, it's just like, yeah, let's stop adding, bro. We're just creating obstacles. It's just like you're running track. You got a hurdle you got a hurdle in your back pocket and you're running on the track. You just pull out the hurdle and throw it in front of you. Like, let's jump over this hurdle. You watch Orb. I just that first episode I told you I watched EPSM. What's up, Felipe? Nah, the trade reviews is kind of rough. Wow, that's really nice. That's another part that I really need to get figured out is the outside process, like the time I'm getting to review and journal and stuff like that is like non-existent right now. Yeah, for sure. I think there's a place for adding in my future, but I want to eliminate all the unnecessary variables right now so I can focus on the things that are actually keeping me from my goal. You know, adding is cool, it's great, but it's not it's not the thing that's keeping me from getting where I want to be. You know, like I can literally just move it out the way and not do it anymore, and everything will be fine. Um, it makes adding makes a lot of sense to me, but I still need it takes a lot more. It takes a lot of patience. Like the first entry takes a lot of patience, and then now you're in it and it's going, and you know you need even more patience because it's like I might not get a chance to add, so I got to add right here, you know. But yeah, I just want to remove that completely. Increase the win percentage. Yeah, yeah. But the levels are making everything make more sense. Everything that I was trying to do before, focusing those things at this area is I think really helpful. I think my buys are getting a lot better. But I still need the structure and the process of looking up the daily, looking at the hourly, and finding levels if there are any, and if there aren't any, to decide not to trade that thing. And you know, if I only got one thing to watch, that's cool. You know, I could focus. I can. I think there's room to be more risky when you're not only going to be trading one, especially for me, because you know I be in 2 3 things at the same time. So if I'm just trading one, you know that daring trade that I'm scared to scrape up off the low, you know, like hey man, it's the only thing I'm trading. I can take this trade. If it doesn't work, you know, we'll take the next trade. Yeah. So, got to be more picky. Got to be more picky for sure. But that's all, man. Get out of here. Um, Side note, I like how we all working on it. Man, I appreciate you. You guys are my pod, man. Like you guys are my pod. You guys help me out tremendously, man. I appreciate the mental investment that you guys have made to just even think about what I got going on and how I could possibly improve it. Um, Y'all know I'm stubborn, but I listen to you guys, and you know those ideas bounce around, and then you know it may be a couple days later that like, hey man, that's really making a lot of sense to me, man. Let me make that adjustment. You know, I got to do things in my own time because I have to understand it. I'm not at all interested in just copying something and you know not really understanding it, even if it's making money. I want to understand it and believe in it. Like these levels, I'm really like they're so amazing to me. Like I can't believe I wasn't focused on the levels before. And I remember finding support and resistance like maybe year 2, year 1 in my journey. And I was like, "Oh my god, this is it." And then, you know, you just think I ended up on moving from there to VWAP and just got stuck on VWAP and then went from there to who knows, just all kind of paths, but they all brought me back. Just get the knees. uh, but I feel like if I'm gonna go from paper money to real money, like we should start seeing days where this is green on a regular. Like, okay, you know, but there's still the issue of the weight of the trade, and that's not here paper trading. So we're definitely gonna make the move in December, God willing, and should be exciting. Yeah. Um, I got to work on my morning routine again. I don't really have one. Trading pre market kind of threw that up in the air too. Uh, then paper the rest. Wow. Yeah, I don't know about that one, focus.
It's a good idea. I've gotten great results from coming in with the one trade a day mindset. But the magic is always hiding in the work you're avoiding, isn't it? Think about your family. Yeah. Mm. All right. So tomorrow is Friday. Should be good to trade the open. So I'm not going to trade pre-market. Um, all the YouTube traders are Billy. I know, right? Breakouts and stuff. Yeah, it's crazy, bro. It's so clear too. Like any chart, bro, you can see it's just bouncing between the levels, man. And you just read the volume and the patterns, and you can tell. Just gotta be patient. Once it clicks, it sticks. Yeah. So get here tomorrow. Uh Try to get here at an hour early. That's pretty easy for me. Sit down, get comfortable in my chair, pull up the levels, and pull up my scanner and see if anything fits. We got a big gap. We got a gap over recent highs, stupid volume, and clear levels that I can play from. Only need one. And then just draw the levels and wait for the price to come into the level and see if it looks like buyers are there. No ads. No ads. And I will wait for confirmation. Just a higher low. I don't need the higher high. I just need the higher low or double bottom. And I'm in there like swimwear. No adding. It's pretty simple. It's pretty simple. We can do that. We can do that. All right, y'all. Yes, sir, man. We got this. We're gonna finish the week strong and finish November strong. And yeah, it's up from here. It's up from here. Oh, look at that. Right off that line. Just flat out. Man. Same area I took it from early. See, you just gotta be patient, bro. It just it'll be back. It'll be back. Yeah, man. All right, you guys. Hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you haven't. Discord links in the description. And yeah, man. Be back tomorrow. God willing. Peace.